Hey, what's up guys, it's Forever Day here and I'm here today with another video. In today's video I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on how I got my Louis Vuitton jeans. Now I saw this trend on TikTok and I thought it was really cute and it seems like pretty easy, so I just wanted to try it out, and I love doing like Louis Vuitton things, so I was like, oh definitely I'm going to try this. So I got some jeans from Walmart. I actually got them from the men's section. The George line is the brand of the jeans that I got, and they were only for $10, so I was like, bet. So I got those, and then of course you want to get your bleach. I got like the toilet bowl cleaner bleach because I heard it's better because it's like more thicker, so whenever you're putting on there it's not like kind of like running all over the place. So that's what I got. And you do want to make sure to get a paintbrush so that you can paint it on there. Now for the stencils, actually I traced mine and then I ended up cutting them out, but you can actually print them and cut them out, or if you already have like Louis Vuitton stencils, and that's great, you don't even have to do anything, you can just put the bleach on. But I made mine, so they're not perfect, so don't judge me. And then I ended up having to cut them out. Alright, so here are the jeans before I actually put anything on them. So as you can see there, I rolled them up because they are pretty thick and long, so they're too long for me actually. So yeah, and then they're actually kind of big too, which is fine because I kind of wanted them to be that way. But as you can see, they're kind of like give you that kind of like old style type of jeans, so that's why I really like them, and that's why I wanted to get the men's jeans to put the style on there. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and finished doing all my stencils already and cutting them out, and then I started placing them where I wanted the logos to go. So I'm going to show you guys that. So right now I'm actually distressing the jeans just because I had to turn them inside out, so I ended up having to move this other pants leg. So the design that I had set up for the Louis Vuitton, I ended up having to kind of move it a little bit. But just to show you guys what I'm doing, so I just cut some slits in the left side, I believe. I just cut some slits in the left side of the leg, and I am distressing the jeans a little bit. So one side's going to be distressed and the other side I'm going to put the logos on that side. So I'm just distressing the jeans a little bit. I have a few cuts here, here, and then up here, and then I might put some more down here. I'm not really sure. So that is what I'm doing now, and it is best to flip the jeans inside out and then kind of distress this way. So that's just what I'm doing. So once this is finished, then I'll bleach, and then I'll go ahead and put them in the washer. I'm gonna be using this toilet bowl cleaner, and it has bleach. So I just put it in this little cup like this, and then I'm just gonna use a brush to like paint it on. So it's probably been like 2 or 3 hours. I didn't sit and wait. I was just doing them, and then that kind of took like an hour. And then I just actually let it sit for like 30 minutes after I actually finished. So that's why I say 2 to 3 hours. It just kind of depends on whenever you finish actually doing the outline. It took me forever because I'm slow. So now I'm just gonna wash it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the dryer and wash it, and then this side should look better also after it's washed, and it'll be like all fluffy. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I really love the way actually the ripped jeans side came out. At first I was like, oh, I hope it looks really good, so I wanted to do like one side with the LV logo and then one side all distressed. And I'm so sorry I didn't actually show you guys how I distress. I figured there's a lot of videos on how to distress jeans, I kind of just went for it, to be honest. I would do like one little thing and then I'll look at it kind of like this and I'm like, it needs more. So that's what I did. I just kind of did really small ones and then I would kind of connect it going up, and then that's how I got this type of design. And then of course, once you wash jeans, this part gets like all fluffy, so that just gives me like, you know, more of the distressed that I was kind of looking for with this side. So I kind of really love the way this actually came out. It looks like I bought them like this and then just did this leg, so I really like that. The longest part of this process was the distress side. So if I just actually did the LV logo, it probably would have only took me about 2 or 3 hours. So the only reason why it took roughly about that long for me is because I would have the stencil on, and then I would put it on there, the bleach on there, and then I would kind of wait till it gets like a little bit white so I can see what it looks like, make sure that I'm doing it right, and then I would take the stencil off, and then that's when I would go over it. So I was kind of watching it get bleached, and then I would kind of go over it with more bleach on some spotty parts so that it wasn't like really spotty. So that's kind of what I did, and that's why it took so long. And then of course I wanted to make sure there weren't any like splotchy spots also, so once it started bleaching I would kind of sit there and watch and be like, okay, that side needs a little bit more. Oh, and then also I actually distressed the pocket a little bit so you guys can see my little pocket. I should actually put like an LV logo on here, but I didn't really think about it. But yeah, if you guys want to do that, you can put like an LV looking logo here. That would be actually kind of cute. And then also be careful if you want to actually put like a board underneath the pants, just to make sure that it doesn't go through. I would do that also, just because it did down here, it did get a little bit, it did seep through just a little bit. I don't know why it decided to do that at the end, but yeah, so just this, doing this last logo, I guess it kind of like seeped through. But I really love the way they turned out. And another thing is I used the toilet bowl with the bleach just because it was like a more thick consistency. I know for a fact if I would actually use like a tub of bleach and kind of dipped it that way, it would have seeped through the pants. Just because it is so liquidy, it would have just like went through. If you do want to do this project, I would recommend using the toilet bowl cleaner, just because it has the bleach in it and it's more of a thick consistency. It's like a gel. It does take like just a tad bit longer, you know, than regular bleach to actually you know, turn the clothes white. And plus these are jeans, so it's going to take a little bit longer than like a t-shirt anyway. But yes, if you do want to do this project, I would recommend that, just so that it doesn't bleed through. But of course, if you have like a cardboard that you want to put in this pants leg that you're doing the logo with, of course you could use probably regular bleach, because at that point it wouldn't go through. But I didn't have any cardboard, and then I kind of just wanted to use a toilet bowl because it was more of a cleaner and not as messy, getting bleach everywhere type of feel. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys at my next upload. Bye!